Once upon a time in a forest, there lived two cats. One day, they found a piece of bread. They decided to share the bread between themselves but soon started arguing about who should get the bigger portion. As they quarreled, they came across a monkey and told him about their problem. The monkey was very clever and listened to their story. The monkey said he would divide the bread fairly. The monkey broke the bread into two pieces, but one piece was bigger than the other. The monkey said, I will make the bigger piece smaller and the smaller piece bigger. So, he took a bite from the bigger piece. Then the other piece became bigger, and he took a bite from that as well. He continued this way, trying to balance the pieces, eating a bit each time. Eventually, the monkey ate all the bread, and there was nothing left for the cats. The cats realized that because of their fighting, they had been deceived. This story teaches us that fighting and disagreements can lead to losses, and clever people can take advantage of such situations.